Good afternoon. Myself P.V. Kulkarni, Department of Mathematics, Assistant Professor. Name of the institute is Sri Madhavrao Patil Mahavidyalaya Murum, District Osmanabad, Maharashtra. Today I am going to discuss about the conic sections. In these conic sections we have gone through parabola, ellipse and hyperbola. First we see the parabola. What is parabola? It is the locus of points equidistant from fixed points and equidistant from the fixed line. Fixed point called as a focus and a fixed line is called as a directrix. The locus of points equidistant from fixed point called focus. Points of the parabola are also equidistant from fixed line called directrix. The equation of parabola is y square equal to 4ax. Now conic section, ellipse. What is ellipse? It is a locus of points whose sum of distance from two fixed points is constant. Fixed point called as a foci. Latus rectums of a ellipse passes through foci. Vertices of the ellipse are at end of corner at the end of the minor axis. Conic section, hyperbola. What is hyperbola? It is a locus of points whose difference of distance from the foci is constant. Fixed point called as a foci, they are denoted by F1, F2. Foci lies on transversal axis equidistant from center. If A is greater than B, then it is closer to x axis, which is horizontal. A less than B, close to y axis, vertical. A equal to B, close to center, and center is H, K. Intersect to x axis at AB. In a parabola, x axis is axis of symmetry and y axis is axis of directrix. Vertex lies on x axis and latus rectum parallel to x axis. The equation of ellipse is x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equal to 1. In ellipse there I have two foci, F1 and F2. Two vertices at the end of major axis. Latus rectums passes through two foci in ellipse. In hyperbola, latus rectum is perpendicular to x-axis. There are two foci. Vertices are denoted by A and B. Y-axis is called as a conjugate whose length is 2b, and x-axis is a transversal axis whose length is 2a, and equation of hyperbola is x square upon a square minus y square upon b square equal to 1. Thank you.